YouTubers, what is going on? It's been a while, but I'm back to make a FiveM updated video on my most viewed video, 140,000 views. People saying it's working, people saying it's not working. Now they can't find the folder. Welcome to fix it. Don't worry, I've got your back, man. I've got your back. Right, let's go over to this and I'll show you what you need to do. Yeah, so what you want to do is come down to your search bar, do percentage, app data, percentage. Click on that folder. You want to click back up here, app data, local, find your FiveM folder, mine's here. You want to click FiveM application data. Then you want to come down to data, cache, bang, delete, that's gone. Now come into NUI-storage, GPU cache, bang. That's all it is, that's all you need to do. So people are commenting and joining my Discord saying, oh, it's not working, it's this, it's that. Some of them are not even getting the same error, they're just coming onto my video hoping it's going to fix an error that I'm not talking about in the video. So yeah, I hope it helps. My Discord's down below. It's my birthday tomorrow, 31 years young. All I want is a sub. If you watch a video, like the video, sub my video. Peace.